Hello students, we are continuing with the chapter Principles of Inheritance and Variation. Okay, Mendel published his work on inheritance of characters in 1865. However, they remained unrecognized till the 20th century, beginning of 20th century, due to several reasons. Firstly, the communication was not easy in those days as it is today, and his work could not be widely published. Secondly, his concepts of genes are stable and discrete units that control the expression of traits. He had also explained the pair of alleles which did not blend with each other were not accepted by his colleagues as the explanation of variation. Thirdly, Mendel's approach of using mathematics to explain biological phenomena was totally new and unacceptable to many of his colleagues or biologists of his time. Finally, though Mendel's work suggested that the factors, or now it is called genes, were discrete units, he could not provide any physical proof for the existence of these factors or prove what they were made. In 1900, three scientists, De Vries, Correns, and von Schermach, independently rediscovered Mendel's results on the inheritance of characters and also studied both chromosomes and genes occur in pairs. They segregate at the time of gamete formation such that only one of each pair is transmitted to the gamete. Independent pairs segregate independently of each other. However, they differ the way they segregate. During anaphase of meiosis 1, the two chromosome pairs can align at the metaphase plate. Here you can see one long orange and a short green chromosome and a long yellow and short red chromosome align at same pole. Now consider another set of pairs. Here, one long orange and a short red chromosome and a yellow long and short green chromosome at the same pole. Now, during the anaphase stage of meiosis 2, you can see the orange and the green chromosome segregating together in the cell on the left side, while the orange and red chromosome segregating together in the cell on the right side. Certain analyzed this segregation of chromosome during meiosis and concluded that the chromosomes have individuality and the chromosome occur in pairs with the number of each pair contributed by each parent. He also concluded that the paired chromosome separated from each other during meiosis and the distribution of maternal and paternal chromosome in each pair is independent of each other. Sutton and Boveri argued that the pairing and separation of a pair of chromosome would lead to the segregation of pair of factors they carried. Sutton united the knowledge of chromosomal segregation with the Mendelian principles and called it the chromosomal theory of inheritance. Dear students, in this particular video, we shall discuss about the mechanism of sex determination. There are different methods operate in sex determination. In certain organisms, like turtles, sex is determined by environmental condition. But here, we are going to discuss the method of sex determination by chromosomes, called sex chromosome. They are also called allosomes, as well as haplodiploidy. The chromosomes that are involved in sex determination are called sex chromosome or allosomes. They include X and Y chromosomes. The others are called autosomes. Autosomes are chromosomes other than sex chromosome. For example, in human beings, there are 46 chromosomes or 23 pairs of chromosomes. Out of these, 44 or 22 pairs chromosomes are autosomes and the one pair, 2 chromosomes, that is X and Y, are sex chromosomes. The X and Y in males and XX in females that actually determine sex of an individual and are called sex chromosome. The sex chromosomes in the form of X body was first seen in firefly by Henkin in 1891. The chromosome was without any homologous in the male. Henkin studied spermatogenesis in some insects and observed that 50% of sperms received a nuclear structure after spermatogenesis and other 50% sperms did not receive it. He called these structures as X bodies. Now it is called as sex chromosomes. Clear? The chromosomal method of sex determination are of different types. Number 1 is XX, X0 mechanism. Number 2, XX, XY mechanism. And number 3 is ZZ, ZW mechanisms.